Here was your positive and here was your negative, the separation in the subconscious, right? Well, remember how it splits again? So this middle level, that's where you have the separation or choice. You're positive or negative. Are you going to go up to the next level, or are you just going to stop it here? 3, this is your understanding and judgment placed upon the event. Your judgment itself initiates you into this next level. Because as you judge what you just experienced or the information, it puts you into this next level. Judgments create separation. Every time you have a judgment, it will put you into this middle area. Okay? That's basically considered internal energy because it has to do with processing. You made a choice here. Am I going to go any further with this idea or not? When somebody brings up an event, a piece of information, controversial stem cell research, I'm not even talking about that. It's all hocus pocus to me. You just stopped at number 2. You didn't even go any further. Oh yeah, you know, that is a really cool issue. I don't know what to choose really yet. I think I would be kind of for, but I'm not really sure. Well, it jumps ship to this one. That's what you just did. I'll take that, and I'll put it into here for processing. 4, subconscious, levels 4 to 6, all involve that you go inside your mind to complete these levels. This entails going back into memories or studying information and learning how to apply the information. 4, this entails going back within your memory through accessing deep states of mind in order to fully immerse yourself within the memory. Memory doesn't have to be your own personal memory. Memory can also be somebody else's memory. We know that the memory system is the same as an information system. So we can go into our memory system or information system through reading a book, going on the web, and we can identify things within a memory system, okay, or information system. Right away, you're going to have a choice about whether it's right or wrong. Okay? You're going to have a personal attachment for why you feel. For as much information as you have, you're going to have a personal attachment, a personal choice. You need to get rid of that personal attachment here in level 4. Once you understand a little bit more about it, you'll have a personal attachment. It should be this way, or it should be that way. You need to get rid of that emotion and start seeing value. Clearing the energy or the emotion or the attachment into which way it should be is what moves you into level 5 of your development. This allows you to look at the event and see through different perceptions, which allow you to acquire information from other people and the environment. Different perceptions, or once you clear out that personal attachment, you start opening up to different perceptions. Remember how we split? Here's the idea of stem cell research. Here's the introductory paragraph here. This is, you know why there's all separate dots here? Because that's where you split into different perceptions, different pieces of information, different viewpoints. 6, once you understand the new information that you got from other people's perceptions, fills in the reason for why this event took place and gives realizations for how to better react in the future, or how to choose your outcome, or how to base your choice. In other words, with all the information available now to you, is there ways that you can utilize what you understand about stem cells to make everybody happy? Is there a way that you can do that? That's what you're looking for. That's number 6. How to utilize the information for what you're trying to accomplish. Levels 7 to 9 give the opportunity to apply what was learned in levels 4 through 6. 7, create an experience where you can now apply this newfound information. understanding how you can utilize the information that you've learned on stem cell research. You can go to people who are against it and give them other points of view for why it's important to them. And also validate their point of view why it's sacred to life. But you know, there are also people who are living, who have a life right now, not just potential life, that need the help. You can go there and try that out. 8 is their reaction. Okay? 9, do I need to go back and start all over again? Did I make everybody happy? Did we solve all the conflicts? If not, you go back to the start. To the reaction, right? You go back to the very start again. You apply more information, more understanding. It's a level of development for understanding information and getting it to a level where everybody can be completely satisfied with it. If there's a flaw in your information that you have in your memory system that does not resonate with somebody, the moment one piece of information doesn't resonate with somebody, it doesn't resonate with at least 1 million people in this world, if not 500 million people. 500 million people is a lot of energy and a lot of connections. Okay? It's a lot of people, right? You don't want to shut that stuff out. You need to make sure you have your information system set up so every single little detail is integrated, so everything fits together perfectly. As soon as you cut out somebody else, you've missed the whole point. You can never ever reach this pure potential, that full complete circle, if there's an area that's shut out. Do you understand that? And that's what we're here for, right? To learn our potential, to really open up our body, open up our mind, develop ourselves. This consciousness system is how I originally started all the programming that's built into the Perfect Way programmers that you guys now have access to. So it was all this type of information that I had to solve first before I could actually build these programmers. So I showed you the pyramid system as well, which is another layer. There's more to this information that's going to be available in the book that you guys can read afterwards to get more of the depth. Now, if you guys all look at your Perfect Way programmers, you'll find why this is important. You see all those little circles? That's your playground. Okay? You see how we got all these rings of circles around here? So those are all your playground. That ensures that you go through your entire blob, yourself, everything that you've opened inside of yourself so far, and starts opening it up to a nice, even and balanced way. That's how this technology, it creates or produces a stabilization type of energy. It stabilizes you because it starts unlocking all this information. What this technology does is it opens up another layer of programming to this that we never really had before, or as much as what we have now. Here we got our potential, higher consciousness, right? Here we had our little blob. That's our consciousness, right? Oblivious to everything that's going on out here. But has all this, oh yeah, I'm the man, look at me, look how big I am, right? Sometimes he looks up or he gets that sensation that he's just a tiny little speck in the universe. You guys get those ones, those real humbling moments where you feel so small?